morning, everyone. Now I talk about K-means cluster. The program implements the K-means clustering algorithm for cluster customer segmentation. The Pandas library is used for reading and handling the dataset. The Matplotlib library is used for plotting graphs and visualization clusters. The dataset is loaded from CSV file using read_CSV function. The head function displays the first 5 rows of the datasets. The info function provides information about columns, data types, and the total records. The isNull function .sum function statements checks whether the dataset contains missing value. The K-mean class is imported from the Scikit-learn library. A listed named WCSS is created to store within cluster sum of square values. A loop runs from 1 to 10. Calculate WCSS for different cluster values. The fit function method trains the K-means model using annual income and spending scores column. The inertia underscore function calculates the WCSS value for different cluster values. The fit function method trains the K-means model using annual income and spending score columns. The elbow method graph is plotted to determine the optimal number of clusters. The x-axis of the graph represents the number of clusters. The y-axis represents the WCSS values. The optimal cluster value is selected as 5 based on the elbow point. The K-means model is created within n cluster is equal to 5. The model is trained again using selected number of clusters. The model is trained again using the same number of clusters. The predict function predicts the cluster labels for all customers. Predicted cluster values are stored in the variable y_predict. A new column called cluster is added to the dataset. Customers are separated into different data frames according to the cluster values. Scatter plots are used to visualize customer groups. Different colors are assigned to different clusters for better visualization. The x-axis represents annual income and y-axis represents spending scope. The legend function displays the cluster labels in the graph. The title function adds the title customer segment to the graph. The show function displays the final cluster scope. The program helps to identify different categories of customers based on spending behavior. The customer segmentation is useful in marketing analysis, business strategy, and recommendation system. Thank you.